Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you what is the max screen recording time on the Nintendo Switch 2 game console. The original built-in capture feature on the Nintendo Switch 2 is identical to the original, and from the first one you can save up to 30 seconds of the gameplay with a button hold. You have to hold the capture button on the left Joy-Con during gameplay to record the last 30 seconds, which saves your gameplay to the album. You can trim the clip, or you can change the resolution, but the recording remains 30 seconds max. Why? You might ask why 30 seconds if you have bought a new Switch and it's all the better. Nintendo design balances system performance and storage even on the more powerful Switch 2, and the 30 seconds cap can help prevent overloading the CPU and filling up more unintentionally. You may ask if you can record longer. Yes, you can, but only for external capture solutions. So you may have the capture card and PC. You may use devices like Elgato over media to record limited time with audio and higher quality, or you may have the streaming software tools such as OBS, EaseUS, Avigar on the PC, and capture the switch at the HDMI output continuously. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.